So we're here with Coach Odin from Lennon High School. Coach, a rough day today. What happened?
Well, it's a very nervous start for the youths. The lads are very young. So, as you know, the crowd, the age group is like 14 to 16 years old. But second half, they get instruction, follow it, they fought well. So I'll just be on the second half for the rest of the season.
Alright, and what did you tell them at halftime? Because that was a different second half. I was speaking to my team and I told them you guys are definitely a bit more resilient, keeping the ball a bit better. What did you tell them in the changing room?
Just the same instruction I gave them first half, but as I told them before, it's a very nervy moment for the lads because they are like 14, 15 years old. So the rebuilding process to be exact, but we'll get there for the rest of the season.
Alright, talk to me about Clayton Lawrence, your goalkeeper, who I feel like had a good performance today. Couldn't stop all of the goals from Clarendon College, but definitely made some show-stopping saves. Talk to me about him.
Well, his job is to do that, so have to come up and do what you have to do to keep the team going and motivate the team with those saves. For the rest of the season, we will be here again. So,
alright, talking about the rest of the season, how far do you expect Lennon High School to go? I know most people is going to say win, but realistically, how far can you guys go?
As I said, it's a very young team, taking a game by game. But for my aim now is just to come out of the first round and then take it from there.
Alright, they Rabbit from Coach O'Brien of Lennon High School.
Alright.